Election Committee of Congress has held a key meet to decide on candidates of 4 states for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. The Grand Old Party has almost finalized the name of Himachal MLA and Minister Vikramaditya Singh from the Mandi seat. Although a final confirmation is awaited. Once the announcement is made, Mandi will see a battle between Vikramaditya and Kangana Ranaut, who has been fielded by the BJP.
उस सीट पर हमारे सभी कांग्रेस के जो सीनियर लीडर्स थे उनका मानना है कि इस बार एक नौजवान को मैदान में उतारा जाए, तो विक्रमादित्य का नाम पर सहमति हुई है और वो नाम भी आज डिस्कशन में आया है, तो वो नाम भी हमने खड़गे जी के समक्ष रखा है और शीघ्र ही वो उसको फाइनल कर देंगे।
Remember when the candidature of Kangana Ranaut was being finalized by the BJP, it was the Congress High Command who had showed this desire that Pratibha Singh should contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections against Kangana Ranaut, and that's the reason why this proposal was also been given by the Himachal Congress in charge Rajiv Shukla to Pratibha Singh during a coordination committee meeting which had taken place in Chandigarh, and in that particular meeting this discussion had taken place in which all the senior leaders were also being present, and in that meeting it was Pratibha Singh who had clarified that if the Congress High Command would ask her to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha election, she is ready to contest. However, she had also said that I want to focus on the upcoming by-polls, and that's the reason why she was not ready to contest the Lok Sabha elections. And after that only a survey was being conducted by the Congress party in the state of Himachal Pradesh, in which it was being suggested that if Vikramaditya Singh would contest against Kangana Ranaut, it will be in a favor of the Congress party only. He is going to perform much better than Pratibha Singh, who is the PCC president. That's the reason why this message was also been given to the Congress High Command during the meeting of the Congress CEC, and that's the reason why Vikramaditya's name has been finalized in today's CEC meeting, in which the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge was also being present. Apart from that, the other seat which is being finalized in today's CEC includes the name of Vinod Sultanpuri, who is also Himachal Congress MLA, as he is also going to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from the Shimla constituency. So it is surely going to be an interesting contest in Himachal Pradesh, as well as the suspense is finally now over the Mandi seat.